Good morning. Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. We're going to talk about the opening bell. We got durable good orders coming out today at 5:30. What we are going to talk about is stock futures are generally flat this morning as pre-market participants continue to show an underwhelming response to another large batch of better than expected earnings. Boeing, Comcast, Broadcom that we bought last night, as people were taught how to do the earnings report. Go look there, and it should be uploaded with a video and the content there so that people can see what the after hours trade was at last night. Las Vegas Sands, Aflac, Aetna, WellPoint, Norfolk Southern, and Canadian Pacific all bested what Wall Street had expected for the bottom line. Massey Energy and Newmont Mining were among the few that failed to meet the consensus. As we've told people, we've been shorting those miners, that GDX down and that GLD down. That everyone had got bloated in that gold sector, and it was time to take the short against the public for their exuberance. Sprint Nextel also posted an upside surprise, but AT&T has been placed on the Standard & Poor's rating watch list. Meanwhile, Moody's affirmed the negative outlook on supported ratings of Bank of America, Citigroup, Wells Fargo. As for overseas action, strong overnight gains in Japan was up 2.7%, and China's Shanghai Composite plus 2.3% have done little to inspire Europe's major outlets over there, which are currently mixed. The euro is also flat at the moment. Durable good orders for June are due at the bottom of the hour in about 11 minutes. Oil inventory data for the week ended July 23rd is due at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. At 1 p.m. Eastern Time, results for an auction of the 5-year notes will be released. Let us not forget the wonderful Fed's latest beige book follows at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We're not looking for anything good out of there. Basically, the markets have come up extremely high. So basically, what people need to understand is, like we had said, that the earnings season would be good. These are pre-market earnings this morning, and what the S&P is about. So once again, the trading day hasn't started. It's 5:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date just so happens to be 7/28/2010, and based on where we're at and where the gains and the short squeezes and everything that has come off in the marketplace is that we're still watching lots of key different type of technical indicators, as we have showed everyone about the indexes. You can go find them on StockMarketFunding.com. And as we go through this great white hope of this derailing U.S. economy, outside of corporate earnings, they know how to leverage themselves, and they've done well. And so far, one of the things that people need to understand is that the S&P 500, 40% of those earnings do come outside of the U.S. around the world. So as we monitor looking forward, if there is another contagion worldwide, well, naturally the S&P would have to drop like a rock, because we know where their earnings come from. Do you? Have a wonderful day.